We got the Shadow 2500. I mean 1100. We got the TJ Custom. They're $450, something like that. They're $400 exhaust. Got two 13s up front. Now the stock exhaust is more than likely a little bit different, but I think the stock exhaust has like some bracket right here, and I just unbolted it. So, all right, you good? I got the old gaskets off with the a pick and put installed these new gaskets on there, and I'm gonna install that rear one first, but so that short one's the rear one. Pretty much gonna go like that. I remember. So we got these new studs. Nice shit. It's the part number right there from fit perfect. Get them tight. Fuck. Yeah, that's tight, but that front pipe looks good. We need to adjust that pipe, but